don't win for whatever reason, you're welcome to utilize the 100% deposit match bonus fund. Well, of course, play number two. We're going to use this app right here, Chalkboard. It is a great play. I love play number two today. And well, Chalkboard play if you want to play with the tab. It only makes sense on Chalkboard to be honest. You're gonna get like a 2.5 everywhere else. We get a 3.2 over here. Chalkboard, get guys, new users, use code in the green. Get a free pick plus 100% deposit match bonus. If you don't know about Chalkboard, it's our favorite app to our two-man plays on.
All right.
All
Right.
the bets over here, so we can see us do like home run bets, anytime touchdown bets,
I don't know what you're talking about.
little bets.
Tell me.
The bets on the Chalkboard for me. Your bet counts. Bro, you're ready up.
Yo. I don't know why it's doing that. It's not supposed to be on. Check, 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 check. Check, check, check. Check, check, check. Check, check, check. It's all the same. I'm over here switching it from what's popping, what it do, man? Y'all know what's going on. Turn the music down a little bit. They're finna copyright strike my ass again. Not this time. Gotta put on my blue light lenses so I can protect my irises. Gotta protect our eyeballs, man. All right, cool. So yeah, so remember this first. Well, no, y'all probably don't remember because I wasn't talking to y'all earlier. But yeah, we're basically gonna be looking for the lows. Gonna be looking for these lows for sure. Yeah, that'd be beautiful. If it low key, if it comes down here, that'd be magnificent. All right, so the reason why we're using this range is because this is the first hour of the day. This is the range from the very first candle of the day. We came, we swept the lows, we came, we swept the highs, and basically exactly what we did last Friday, right? We had the hourly candle, we came, swept the lows. We came, swept the highs. My fault. We came and swept the lows, and then we came and swept the highs, and we dumped in today. So that's kind of what I'm looking for, the same thing, to be honest with you. Or if they just close it right back at lows down here. I don't know if they close it down here, but that's what we're looking at for our puts right now. Puts going stupid. Low key rug pull this motherfucker. That'll low key be fire. Rug pull, rug pull. Same city, same. Just can't move sound. What it do? Hold on. There we go. There we go. Now I can see this shit all by itself. There we go. All right, let me share this link real quick. Oh, there we go. There we go. Keep that shit simple, man. 3.5. Probably at 100% already. I ain't even trying to look at it, to be honest. It's cold. What if they take it back to the gap fill? Now that'd be nasty. I'm talking about absolute rug pull. That'd be absolutely crazy. There we go. Man, I can't find Discord. See. I put another one. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Ooh, I meant to share my YouTube link. I didn't share the prize picks link. My fault, my fault. I mean, shit, y'all probably make some money out of that too. Y'all know we've really been running it up. Prize picks, stocks, options, it don't even matter. What's popping, what's popping. Y'all know the vibes, man. So same old, same thing we always do. Print some money. Easiest short in history. Literally, look, it's exactly like I said. If you're coming in late, it's exactly what we did Friday. Sweat the lows, sweat the highs, and then dump. Sweat the lows, sweat the highs, and now we're dumping. Can't make this shit up. Nice. Where did I share? What you mean? Where did I share? Oh yeah, take some profit here for sure. Yeah. Ideally, you want to see a slice, but it probably get a little bounce first. Yeah, let's see. I think it's fine. Power hour. Okay, let go. All right, let's do a little. We're gonna do some SPX. Good game last night. Yeah, last night was fire. I ain't gonna lie. Man, if James Harden, bruh, if he would have sold my slip, I'd never bet on that bum again. But yeah, look, see how we're still in the very first hour of the day? It's Friday, so they usually do that shit. All you gotta do is find the first like 15 and 30-minute candle of the day. Mark that motherfucker. So because it's getting closer to the end of the day, we're gonna use the 15. But yeah, see that? Look, came down, swept the lows, swept the highs, right back to the lows. So you're gonna do one of two things. Either it's gonna actually cut through the bottom of the lows and try to take out the lows, or same shit, smack right back up. So we got time, thankfully. So we'll catch it. I hate that game. Man, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I got so pissed at the game. I really just had to cut that shit off. Bro. I was like, you know what? It's over. Debt for real. It's over. It's over, bro. It's over, game. You be in front to trap the West. I don't know. Yep, see, right back to the low, bounce. Still being one right in our short zone too. That's crazy. It's the drawings from the video. Oh, speaking of video, I gotta upload. Gotta upload to the drive. It made no sense. Made no sense. This shit really going level to level. That's crazy. Yo, beyond bitch. All right. I hate every time I log into my own Google. It's like, please verify it's you. Who the fuck else would it be? I use this shit every day, every single day. It's not like unusual activity. He ain't logged in a minute. You know what I'm saying? They probably like, oh, he ain't logged in a while, so we gonna check him, bruh. I'm in here every day. I'm on Google every day. They like, hold on, so is that you? They said, let's verify first game. Who is you? Who is you? Nice little green tea. You know what I'm saying? Not too crazy. But yeah, bro, I'm like, man, what the fuck? Come on, gang. All right, gotta upload today's live stream. I said, should only be 37 minutes. Damn. I record a whole 37-minute stream. Don't tell me be safe. Tell that to my ops. Yeah, come on. You need to go ahead and just slice. It need to come down here. That's what it need to do. Look, we need to hire like a big double bottom, like a and then maybe Monday or some shit we go. That'd be even better. Treat up. Please don't tell me be safe. Tell that to my ops. It's something bigger than a yacht. But I'm not. It's telling me to stop. My ops tell they ops tell the cops. All right, where we close at? Previous days close. All right, right here. Previous days close. So we still got a gap, right? We still got a gap. And now if they come take out that gap, that should be crazy. Puts would go like 500%. Black Forest music. On that bullshit. Get on that All right, I rolled into some new puts. They're basically just sitting right now. Ain't really too much motion. Because I had the 7-4 but I was like, I don't want to get chopped up just in case they do, you know what I'm saying, not go. But if they do flush it, it'll be a big flush. So I was like, okay, risk reward. The ones obviously that's closer is way more expensive. So, gotta take that prop off the table just in case. Because if they do, let's say they chop it like right here. The cheap contracts down here, 744, they dirt cheap. So you're not really gonna lose much. You try them. But if you try the 745s, if they start going like this, them contracts gonna go blood. Same like calls, selling to the string. This pop was crazy though, I ain't gonna lie. We got that nice little retest, and then out of nowhere, all I hear is an alert. I'm like, the hell? Black Forest music. Yeah, he was just sitting right now. They up 20, so nothing crazy. Black Forest music, man. Yeah. Black Forest music. Man, boy, shit. Oh, I'm supposed to be packing, man. I gotta go to Miami. Not gotta go, but I'm going to Miami. Then it be teed up. It's my girl birthday, so yeah. Basically, our we clear this right here. We clear that right there. Any close below, any kind of rejection, absolute dumper. Elon Dumperton. All right, we got 30 minutes. I'm hoping they just give us a easy, clean dump so we can smack some SPX shit again. On some cool shit. Okay, so I'm thugging. What is that? 74, 74.60. Let's check the cons. This man's not gonna die. Bitch, wait till you see the garage. 76. All right, they're over there. Let me see. That's too low. All right, we'll give it a little bit more time. Let the contracts get chopped up a little bit. Let them go down cheap. Basically, what we did yesterday, right? We caught that shit was crazy. Yeah, we got. It's crazy because it was just this little ass candle, but that motherfucker smacked 600%. That's nasty work, bro. Every time I think about that shit, wow. Oh, I should upload it that fast? Okay. I don't care who the fuck your name is. What? All right, yeah. So basically, we just wanted to break underneath this. Break underneath this, right? Hopefully, either one of two things, right? Either we're gonna play the trap and they try to push it towards end of day, or they're gonna try to jump that shit towards end of day, towards closer towards the gap. Because we still have this whole. Obviously, I'm not saying it's gonna fill. That would just be absolutely bonkers if it did. But yeah, it's there. Oh, there we go. Uh-oh. Oh, my girl calling. I'm on live, twin. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on. Give us 30 straight minutes of dump. Elon Dumperton. Oh, oh, goodness gracious. All right, what else is there? What else can we? Oh, this Tesla was absolutely cake, light work. So we caught the open pump on Tesla, sold, right? Whatever level, 430. That's what I'm like. Whatever this line was, Tesla has very, very hard responses to really every level. So initial pump, right? As soon as that candle closed, you start pushing up. Then I just bought at the bottom, bought at the bottom, and then I literally held that shit for like 15 minutes. That shit was crazy. Yeah, that shit coming down too. Yeah, low key, everything need to sell off. Fuck it. Let's check the weekly real quick. See how we really close. All right. All right. Oh yeah. So we still got plenty of space, no matter how low we go, as long as we don't go, 740. But I mean, in 30 minutes, that'd be fucking crazy. There we go. Where's my Yeah, make sure y'all are trimming. Make sure y'all are trimming. So, wait. 100 won't fit in one SUV. So that's there we go. Come on. Break that shit. That motherfucker just fucking around. Look, it's like think about it. Hell nah. Yeah. Come on down. Yeah, see, we're at this level. How long we got? So we got 2 minutes so they close out the Robin Hooders. Yeah, 2 minutes so they close out the Robin Hooders. They're low key. I be feeling bad how they do Robin Hood, man. They'll be like, that's it for y'all. 2:30. And then they'll give us a crazy move. But it's fucked up though, because they'll let you trade SPX after 2:30. They really trying to fuck y'all money off. They're like, yeah, let's get their bread. Like, you don't want no spy. Come on, get a little SPX, man. Gotta do the sell trick. Facts. I remember when I figured that shit out, bro, she was a game changer. So if you don't know what the sell trick is on Robinhood, basically you go for whatever contract you have. Oh, sell into that. Sell into that while I'm yapping. Come on, take that. Woohoo! Come on, bruh. Y'all, come on, man. We literally giving bangers on live. We can't be fucked with, man. Can't be fucked with, bruh. We literally just called this shit. Yes. I want to see some profits. Y'all better be grateful for my man because he ignored my call just to be here with y'all on my birthday. Oh yeah, it is my girl's birthday. Sorry about yeah. Y'all give her a happy birthday in the chat. Easy work. Easy work. Elon Dumperton. Yeah. There we go. All right, yeah. Trim into this. Remember, trim into this. Trim into this. Yes, sir. Come on, man. This shit getting too easy, man. This shit getting too easy. Happy birthday. There we go. Yeah. Join too late. No. It ain't over. Shit, we still got 30 minutes. I'm just saying trim into this, right? I'm still holding some. I'm just saying trim into this. Yeah, my boy caught that. Made him a little 200. Yeah. Little, you know what I'm saying? Little Friday night type money. You feel what I'm saying? It can't be true if she dated you. AP baby blue. I probably hate me too. Yeah, there we go. Come on. Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Come on, man. All right, yeah, sell some more. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Ooh, that bitch pushing. Sell some more into this. Oh, there we go. Rug pull it. Give us a rug pull day. This is what I'm talking. I love this shit. I love this shit. Look, see, I told y'all ain't no such thing as join too late, man. You still getting a little money on. Trim into these lows, bro. Y'all know how we do it, man. Come on, man. This shit getting too easy, gang. What that boy say? Ain't shit green, but that llama bean. Oh, God. All right. Yeah. Got in at the top. Yeah, there we go. All right, so that was easy, right? So boom, we got the first move, right? Now we talk about part two, right? The first move was the breakdown. Now either we trap them and get back above and it'll push back into the close, or right, it'll just continue to flush back low towards that gap. Yes, sir, ski. Yep, Tesla too. Told y'all I fucking hate Tesla. Even though it gave us, 200% today, I ain't mad at that. You know what I'm saying? But still a bum. Tesla's still a bum. You're still a bum, Tesla. I still hate you. All right, now, so boom, we caught us a little bag on SPX, right? I mean on puts. So now, like I said, it's either one of the two. If this is the trap, boom, look, it's the same thing on SPY, right? Where's my oh my god, damn. Hold on. Yeah, same thing. Look, same range. Look, same thing that happened like Friday, right? We just talked about that. We just called it out. So look, boom, we said, right? You got the hourly range, the first hour. That's what this green box is. We took out the lows, bang. Took out the highs, bang. Took out the lows again. Most of the time on Fridays, they're just trying to kill everybody contracts, right? They're trying to whoever's holding, you can effed either way, right? So the way to combat that is to know exactly where your levels are. I actually want to grab some. I want to grab some. Well, if we can bounce back over, I want to grab some calls, but for Monday or Tuesday. No more. You know, I don't want to go too crazy with SPX. You can make some SPX and then do another SPX and just get that shit right back. But if you go cheap far out the money, then of course ain't really much risk. It's all reward. All right, yeah, but we got to get back above this. We got a minute left. Got to get back above. We get back above, we hold, and then we start pushing back over this. Or hold on, a little lower. Probably right back here. We get back above that. Then I'll buy some calls into the close for next week. For next week. Yeah. Or look, it's the same channel from earlier, right? All that liquidity that was built in here, they just came and grabbed it. So they're either coming to grab it to squeeze that motherfucker right back up, or they're coming to grab it to be like, thank you, and boom, we come back down lower. Either way, we gonna catch it. Good reason. My boy said, "Isn't it nice when Trump doesn't mess with the market?" Shit, I prefer him to. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. As long as I'm on the right side, shit, Trump could fuck with the market all he want to. What lottos we taking last 10 minutes? Oh, shit, I don't know. We gotta get there first. Y'all know what I always say. You can't force the market. You gotta wait to see what it give you. On this one, it gave us the dump. So now we'll see if they give us another leg down, like I said, towards lows, or if this is the same thing as this right here. Just, hourly range, sweep the lows, sweep the highs, sweep the lows again. And either way, they can just close that shit smack in the middle. So it's either actually going to try to break lower and try to, get closer to that gap, or, they'll try to close it probably smack in the middle. It's usually one of the two on Fridays. And like I said, last Friday was same thing. Range, swept the lows, swept the highs, right back to the lows. And then we dumped into the close. So if we do the same thing, right, swept the lows, swept the highs, swept the dump. So either they're gonna, like I said, roll it back towards that 744. Oh, it's crazy. I think I said that in the chat. Oh, oh yeah. And this was earlier. Yeah. Yeah, I was already in. This was at 2 o'clock. So we put probably want to close at 744. So yeah, that's what I was saying. Like we wanted to get near. So we came all the way down to 745.20. So about 25 cents away from 744. I be bitch. That's crazy. We caught the we swung calls, closed those for 140, 150%. Bought puts, I sold here, ended up coming all the way down. Bought calls again, held them, sold them here, and then just waited, got puts right here, sold most, rolled, sold most again. And now we might have to try some calls towards the end of the day. Let's see if we're back over. Hold on. SPX. Let's see SPX. I told that bitch, strike a pole. I'm with the Seminoles. Yeah, no. I don't want. If you rocking and I'm rolling, I can't break the code. If you got me outside drinking wine, swinging from the line. All right. All right, now we're getting the retest, right? It's gonna be one or two. Either it's gonna break down, retest, come down, or it's gonna trick, just like this, right? Trick, retest, push, trick, retest first, and then if we start to push above, then we'll go long, right? But you don't want to just get caught right here because they still can, just like last Friday, right? Last Friday, the same thing. Last Friday had a crazy green in the very next candle. Trying to rhyme my way. She can get some Chick-fil-A. She can get a 4 for 4. Y'all gotta y'all trying to put in on my girl birthday gifts? Y'all trying to you know what I'm saying? Help brother out, man. You know what I'm saying? I gotta, I hear help y'all bank, y'all, you know what I'm saying? Help your boy out, man. Pay for these gifts. All right, let's see. We get an initial reaction, initial rejection, but remember, still gotta go through this to get any more downside. 22 minutes left. Let's see. We got a minute left in this, right? Because they can still be like, psych, so we'll see. Oh, put that back. Let's check the contract prices. Let me see. 7485. 7485. All right, those are 125. Where's 7485 at? 7485 is almost smack in the middle. Let me see. All right. That'd be upside and then lower. We'll go 65. All right, so uppers and then lower range 60. That's too low. That's too low. But yeah, like I said, let's let them chop it a little bit first, right? Let them chop it up first, so that way the SPX contracts get cheaper and cheaper and cheaper and cheaper. Basically, how we did yesterday, right? Let them get dirt cheap, dirt cheap, dirt cheap, and then that way you get a candle like this, and then that shit pays you like, or no, this one was it this one or this one of the two. But small candle pays you 600%. So the closer we get towards the end, the better the contract will pay. So that's why I'm like, no rush. Are you talking about both sides? Yeah, I'm just saying like because we gotta have a game plan for either side. So if we do break out over this, right, and we start to push, then we'll grab one of these, right, for the upside. If we don't, right, and reject back lower, then we'll grab one of these down here. Because if it's in the middle, we're not gonna waste money. We're not gonna just buy it in the middle for no reason. So yeah, you gotta have both sides marked. That way we have at least a range. And then kind of like yesterday, whatever that the 250 candle, if it comes out and it does a little fake out, we'll just play the other side. Okay. Bro said, isn't it nice when Trump doesn't mess with the market? He said, nah, he good. Who we getting for slips? Okay, now that I gotta do some more research on. I do want to take Vassell, of course. Vassell been going stupid. I want to take him for points. I was it open long and short at the same time. I mean, you could realistically you could get like a maybe like $10 out the money, call, and then like a little $10 out the money. Because it's end of the week. So the end of the week candle does usually get some last minute volatility. Shit, them runners, the put runners, them bitches might just go by themselves. I still got one more. That bit fucking around, go crazy. Let's check SPY though, so we can see where we are as far as so if it does come low, it's gonna come all the way down here for SPY. So that's around 744. The cons run up $3, so it could work low key, for real. But the thing about SPX is the closer we get towards the end of the day, you would have to do market sales. That's why I'm always like market in, market out, because you get the tiniest sliver of a wick. That shit going. You're gonna go from 200% to 4%. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta have market sales. Low key, if I'm playing like something I think is just gonna dump. Like let's say I got puts right here. and I figured I was at like at the money or some shit like that. I would put like a hard sell at like $5 or some shit like that. So if I bought it for like $1, I said five. You know, quick little 400%. Arizona. There we go. Breakdown, retest. Remember, gotta clear the low to continue. I want a refund, and then hopefully if they do, just come on down so I can tell everybody I told you so again about that 744. He's a trash star. Come on, get my 744 so I can just screenshot and be like, touch yourself. That part. All right. Time is it? All right. So we got one more 15-minute candle. So this is what I'm saying. We can wait for that. That 250 candle. Let them chop it around. Let them cook the contracts a little more. Let it get a little cheaper. That whole catfish. All right. So look, now if they do the same thing, right? Look left. If they do the same thing, sweep it back above. Then we can try to, like I said, try to watch for that push into this one right here. Time is it? Still got some time. Let's get it. And we can clear it up. Let me check VIX real quick. See if VIX is. Oh shit, VIX. What the fuck is this? The hell is that? Is that even a real wick? Is that real? The hell is this? Oh hell nah. If VIX gonna push, I mean that shit probably gonna dump. Oh shit. Oh hell no. I don't know what that is. What kind of candle is that? I got just random drawings all around here. I'm trying to move on. Yeah, today was super simple, man. All we had was the, previous day's high. Look, literally bought calls off previous day's high. Crazy work. Right there. Sold calls, went puts. Sold puts, went calls. Went legit. What Herbo say? Thank God I went legit. Swear. All right, 5 minutes. All right, let's check the cons. What is this? Pre-market high. 74.65. So if we crack that downside, that shit probably gonna be quick. So they won't play it. We put that put on the name of thing on fashion. Yeah, all the time. Yeah, these motherfuckers, I ain't gonna lie. With VIX popping, even the contracts are starting to go up. At one. Oh shit, at two. Oh, something really like I did. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Flush that bitch in the day. Come on. Oh, okay, okay. It's moving. It's moving. All right. All right. Get ready to market sell. If you can, market sell it. Market sell it. Market sell it. You don't want to get wicked. You don't want to get wicked. Okay. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Bought 1.5, sold 2.9. What is that? That's almost 100%. Not a damn. No. We didn't get a full 100%. No. I suck. I'm sorry, y'all. No 100%, man. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, man. Watch it. Watch it actually go in the money though. Watch them contracts actually go in the money. Damn, the bitch is already back at 2. Yeah, that was a quick one. That shit was quick as hell. Let me see. How much time we got left? Oh, we still got the 250 candle. So like I said, either we bounce from here, right? Either this is the trap, and then they just shoot it right back up for the end it right here, or they just, like I said, go ahead and come right down here. I've been making like 2,000 a minute. Yeah, I'll take it though. I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at it. 1.5 to 2.9. What is that? Like 80%, 85%, 90% of some shit? Close enough. Close enough. Close enough, man. Y'all gotta be grateful. I can't do everything myself. I wonder, can you hear me? Think about that. Let's check SPY real quick. The SPY tap mine 744. It did. Hold on. I already got that shit loaded up. Tell niggas I told you so. Hold on. What was that? That low is 744.96. They'd be like, how does he know this? How does he know this? They say I still got a pack for Miami, but I ain't packed nothing. As you can see, all my clothes, I've just been doing laundry. So I'm like, bro, I'm not finna fold them up. I know I'm finna pack. So I'm like, bro, I'm just put them all on the counter, fold them up, figure out what I'm gonna wear, figure out when to pack. I told my girl, I said, bro, I might as well just shop when I get there. Southwest took away the free bag policy now. I'm like, bro, what? No free bags. That's so crazy how we knew it was gonna come back down here. He cold. He cold. What twin say? He cold. All right. 15 seconds to the whatchamacallit? The 250 candle. All right, here we go. 250 candle. Let's see if we can catch one more. Whoa! Yeah, take that bitch lower. Oh shit. That shit is not playing no games. All right, there we go. Here's the fake out move right here. So this is where I decide if I'm gonna get into some calls for Monday. Right here. This is where I'll get calls for Monday, yeah. Because I'm like, I don't want to put, we just hit on both sides of SPX. You don't want to just, we hit the casino 2 for 2. We could go 3 for 3, but listen, I'm lost. Yeah, you gotta learn the levels and learn the triggers and stuff like that. Look at my bank account, man. Yeah, I probably gonna take some Monday calls. Shit, SPX calls probably would have went crazy. Right back here, some shit. First gave it to me. I told you, ain't gotta stress. I'm lost. What exactly are you lost in? Which part? Yeah, which part? There we go. Boy, too cold. He cold. Ain't got no more. Yeah. I would really let it Aquafina. With Chip Catalina. I think Vaseline. Yeah, they're still holding that level on the 745.5. We all right, last 8. If you did want to take anything else, like I said, just buy time. You know, don't risk your money you just made trying to, catch more zeros or SPX. You can if you want to. It's your money. You're grown. You grown. You do what you want to do. But just be careful. Be very careful. Very, very, very careful. On the low. Yeah, I'm waiting for one more push so I can see if I grab some maybe Monday 750s because I'm looking at them right now. They're only 120. So I might probably swing those over the weekend. Might get a little gap up. And even if we gap down, I mean, it is what it is. Yeah, because I mean, as far as we know, this could be, just a breakout and then coming down for a retest. See, that shit still refuses to close below the low. It's got to get a close. Every day, some new shit. $500,000 whip for ice like this. Watch as soon as they close it. As soon as they close it, it's gonna be like close, and then it's gonna either immediately go or immediately done. It's gonna be funny. That's simple. Big OG on him. Nigga OG on trim. It should hold this level, way. If we're bullish, then it should hold this level. Just a breakout retest level. 200, 5 jacks. Now it's a duffel in my knapsack. Shot at us. We clap back. 7 figure. Only reason. Oh, Tuesday. My fault. Yeah, I keep saying Monday. Tuesday. Only reason I did lose a band today is because of your Tesla call. Oh, only reason I didn't. I was like, hold on, Tesla went crazy. Oh, only reason I didn't lose a band. Bro, what? Bro, we caught Tesla at the absolute low of that pullback. Literally, I'm talking about 3 candles in. Tesla went absolutely berserk. Literally, bro, right here. We literally bought it right here. And then 1, 2, 3. 3 candles, 15 minutes, in and out, done. 200%. Call it a day. I'm done. Wipe your hands. Are you entering as soon as the candle breaks the trend line using the 30? Nah, so this one, because we're doing end of day SPX, you gotta be quicker. You gotta, what the boy say, you gotta be quicker than that. So because we're doing SPX now, it's a little different. We're still playing the same levels, but it was more so, you gotta be a little quicker just because it's end of day. But if it was like a normal trade, then yes, of course, I'll wait for the, candle to close. That's more so like entry, day trading and swinging and stuff like that. But we looking for a 2-minute scalp? Nah, hell no. We getting in instantly. Because if it instantly cracks, even if it wicks and closes, we're already out by then, right? We only held the trade for like 3-4 minutes. So yeah, see how it's just a quick candle. I'm in, I'm out, right? Not too much. Yeah, see, then that just kind of chopping up everybody who's trying to collect some last minute premiums. This Draco undefeated hit your block, and then still closing inside the 1 hour range though, which is good. Good for bulls anyway. We got the gap fill. We got the gap fill reversal. We cleared all of the sellers that were waiting up here. Right, scroll left. Boom. Took all this out. Right, this is previous resistance. Boom. Scroll. Boom. Where do we top at? Right, exact same levels. Bang, bang. Breakdown, retest. We got into some puts, sold some puts, got some more puts. But yeah, so no, when it comes to just like how's Oracle looking to swing, gonna be paying my joints. I want both of them. Yeah, I'm gonna swing them spies. I'm gonna take I'm gonna swing them. We about to crash. All right, yeah, they're 1.19, so I'll grab one now. All right, yeah, 1.19. I'm in the spot call 750 for Mondays. About swinging Oracle, you said over the weekend. These bullies, you receive it. I can't. Shit. I mean, it depends on how much time you got. I mean, if you got next week's for sure, you know, you got time. Because one, you're above the 5, two, you're above the 20. They're both curling up, right? Which is gonna be good. So as long as you can get a breakout, maybe into next week, right? You could come take out the highs, you know, breakout retest and go from there. So yeah, you could. I'm sure I'm gonna swing a few spot calls, nothing crazy though. Right? You don't want to. Oh, there we go. I didn't even see the pop. Are we up already? Hey, we're up a whole $2 already. Let's go. Not just playing. But yeah, so I'm gonna swing these 750, like I said, 750 for Monday. Tuesday. I keep saying Monday. Tuesday. I'm swinging these for Tuesday. Small size, like I said, because you know how the weekend does, man. Every other week, well, not every other, but literally every weekend since the start of this fucking bull run, we've got down and pumped, right? Except for this one. But look, gap down, pump, slight gap down, pump, slight gap down, pump, gap down, pump, gap down, pump, and then this was pretty much break even. But it's always a random slight Iran tweet or some shit. How was that? Oh, SPX. Ah, see, there it is. All right. Like we said, probably close that shit smack dab in the middle. I can't get caught up. I can't be on. There it is. Now let's pull up our bell ringer. Yay, we're already up. Hey, let's go. Right? We said what? They would do one of the two things. Trap down below or get back above and try to push and squeeze back into the high into the close. So see, that's why you always gotta have a game plan for either side. So that way you make money on the puts, we make money on the puts, we make money on calls. Oh yeah, them bitches going. Let's go. Them bitches already up. It's Gucci. What the boy say? I drank some. What was I about to? Oh, bell. Oh, where is it? Stock market bell. Is that it? We close? No, we gotta do it.
Peter Piper's pepper
What
cake.
the fuck? No, not Peter Piper.
So he ordered the supplies he needed from Amazon Business.
I gotta log into my YouTube Premium on here.
Positively.
It definitely fucked me up right here.
Amazon Business. Your
They hold.
business buy. And right now we are 2 minutes away.
Where's the closing bell sound?
Secure with
They didn't give me every other sound on the fucking closing bell. Bitch ass. Never mind. There we go. There we go. Took long enough. Golly. All right, y'all. I'ma chill, relax. I got to pack, head to Miami. Give me a little tan on, right? I'm gonna come back dark as hell. I'm gonna come back actually looking Jewish. My inner Middle Eastern is gonna pop out. But yeah, that's it. Had a good day, caught some good shit, right? Gonna enjoy this. If we do gap down over the weekend, like I said, you know, we'll address it. We'll go over. I'll make another video. What SPX did you do? I did 46.50, and I had spy puts. So I had spy puts here. I had 745 spy puts. Then I had SPX 67 or 70 74 65s, and then that was it for SPX. So yeah, caught this and then sold instantly 1.5 to 2.95. So almost 100%, right? Almost. Not quite, about a good 90%. And then, oh, look, see, I told you, bro. As soon as that shit closed, we're gonna try to drill it real quick. But obviously, we don't care about this stuff. You know, markets close anyway. So, yeah, amazing. Caught a nice little dump. Elon Dumperton. We hit our target right of 744. Um, yeah, that's pretty much it. That's really all we wanted was that 744. We came and tagged it. There we go. Came and tagged it. So target was hit. Perfect level. How do we know to come down there? Because we had pre-market high in the same area, right? Came down, bang, same area. So yeah, that's it. I'll make the video probably Sunday night once sometimes it's hard to keep track of what you're in, but awesome. Oh yeah, I know. But then like I said, they'd be quick, super quick. But that's why I give like, targets and entries and stuff. So that way y'all can pick your own, strike and stuff like that. Because I know some people who only play at the money SPX. And I mean it's risky as hell, but obviously it pays so much more. So, if somebody was in the whatever that closest at the money strike was, I'm pretty sure they went bonkers. But I like playing far out the monies, so it just depends on. That's why I always give you like options, like, hey, you choose this strike if this happens, or you choose this strike if this happens. So we got that low, and then it was just easier to do those. But yeah, I'm still, like I said, still bullish, right? We just got to break out, retest. So we should just continue back up, right? Going into the next week, and continue the bull trend, right? If anything else happens and we do start to gap down, like I said, we'll address it over on the Sunday night video, just because we'll be able to see pre-market stuff like that. But yeah, that's it. I'm about to get ready to I don't know, enjoy my Friday, I guess. I ain't doing shit. But I probably ain't even gonna pack. I'm lying. I probably ain't gonna pack. I probably won't pack till Saturday, probably Sunday morning, probably like 2 a.m. Sunday. But yeah, I'll see y'all. That's it. I'm gonna go ahead and end this stream. And yeah, y'all have fun, man. Go take some shots, enjoy the day. God is good. And yeah, I'll see y'all.